We are at 47721 League Court, Stirling, Virginia. We're going to attempt to replace shingle. Found a hail head on it. We did find there are several hits scattered on this back edge of the roof. You can also see some over there on that other elevation. And you also see where there were previous repairs done over there as well that are kind of gnarly looking. But anyways, the shingle that is below the mark is the one that we're going to be replacing. So we will have to detach the shingles, two rows of shingles above it in order to replace the one, because the nails are going to be caught in the top of that shingle that we need to pull out. They use staples on this stuff. Pulling the staples out that pulled through the old shingles so that they don't cause damage to the one that the new one we're putting in.
Staples cause damage to the shingles.
Yeah, it's already. Watch your hand. You can see right there where the shingles ripped through, causing damage to it.
Laminated.
And it's and it's delaminating, pulling apart. You see where it's delaminating there just by picking it up. It's doing the same thing, starting to delaminate there as well. Got 'em. All right. Looks like some additional granular loss as well, along with the delamination areas, and also where the staples had ripped through the shingle because trying to pull them out, they just popped right through. Because of that, in order to do this correctly, the shingles above actually should be replaced as well so that it does secure it and we'll have not to worry about any leaks. So I would list this as a fail.